Please explain to the new YouTuber out there who is starting a YouTube channel about how they get paid from YouTube. Alright? Here's the breakdown I'd give a brand new YouTuber who's wondering how the money actually flows from YouTube into their pocket. How YouTubers get paid. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. You don't just start uploading and instantly get a paycheck, you have to qualify first. To join YPP, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. An AdSense account linked to your YouTube. Follow all of YouTube's monetization policies. Once approved, you can start earning money through different features. 2. Main ways you get paid. A. Ad revenue, most common starting point. YouTube places ads before, during, or after your videos. You earn a share of what advertisers pay YouTube. YouTube takes 45%, you keep 55% of ad revenue. Earnings depend on how many ads are watched, not skipped, where your viewers are from, what your video is about. Some niches pay higher rates. B. Channel memberships. Fans pay a monthly subscription fee for perks like badges, emojis, or exclusive content. You get 70% of the revenue, YouTube keeps 30%. C is super chats and super stickers. Viewers pay during live streams or premieres to have their message highlighted. You get 70%, YouTube takes 30%. D. YouTube premium revenue. If premium members watch your videos, you get a share of their subscription fee based on watch time. E. Merch shelf. You can link approved merchandise stores so viewers can buy your products directly on your channel. YouTube doesn't take a cut, but the merch platform might. F. Brand deals and sponsorships outside YouTube. Companies pay you directly to feature their product or service in your video. This can sometimes make you more money than ads. 3. How the money actually reaches you. All your earnings go into your Google AdSense account. YouTube pays once a month, around the 21st, but only if you've reached at least $100 in your balance. Payment options include bank deposit, wire transfer, or check, depends on your country. 4. Important tips for new YouTubers. Focus on growing your audience first. Monetization is easier once you have consistent viewers. Don't rely on ads alone. Explore memberships, merch, and sponsorships. Stay advertiser friendly. Avoid copyrighted content, excessive swearing, or shocking content if you want steady ad income. Watch your analytics. Learn what videos make the most money and why.